I'm the asshole who's running through your front yard with your decorations in my right hand while I'm spitting in the mic, getting chased by the white man across the street. You just a Great Dane, born to beat. I'm Dane Bramage. Wait a minute, brain damage, you heard it. That's why you're wordless and worthless, a burden to all like burning and working, but earning a petty ass pig with smirking, you vermin. The police are the problem, I just paid a ticket for $300. Oh damn, my shit's fat like Roseanne. I rock fur coats with a grand in both hands. I knock my speakers to slow jams as I pop the liters of coke in the notepad. I write till my eyes are shut and they roll back. Rap nowadays is shit in a joke act, and you whack like a nun in her paddle. Keep the mic in the Indiana Jones satchel. Immaculate spitting to a dope sample. You can't handle the truth, I ramble the booth, bitch. Yeah, and to the point, let's look cold tits. Holy Ghost crooked like scoliosis. Motherfuckers know this, I'm sick of the dullness. Mainstream's freaking overdose on the bullshit.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beauty wood, a neighborly day for a beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a
beautiful day in my hood, waking up with morning wood, roll out of my bed if I could, but I can't. I got a rant about a time I couldn't stand. Don't want anyone to see this crease in my pants. Get up, get some food, go to class, what's new? Haven't shaved for days and my jeans are blue. Got the same song on my headphones, fool. Look down at my feet, got a mismatched shoe. Yeah, I'm a mess, who would've thought? Probably the worst CD you ever bought. Mac Miller, bro, oh my god. Please, oh please, could that guy get shot? I don't really care about a senior skip day, the Nikes on his feet or the shit in his face. He can smoke his weed and he can roll J's. Doesn't mean a thing if it's all bad taste. But okay now, where was I at? We don't comb our hair, we got snapback hats. We're all douchebags, but we don't face the facts. I watched 8 Mile, now I think that I can rap. Train track in my living room, puppets in my attic. Feed my goldfish, I'm not the least sporadic. After this show, I'll eat a sloppy Joe. Say the same old thing and it's time to go.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beauty wood, a neighborly day for a beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a
Bye-bye.